The Vivo V50 Lite is a mid-range smartphone that offers a compelling mix of design, performance, and battery life. Processor, MediaTek Dimensity 6300 5G variant. RAM, 8GB, 12GB, LPDDR4X. Storage, 256GB, 512GB UFS 2.2. GPU, Mali G60 AMC4 operating system, Android 15 with FunTouch OS 15. 6.77 inches. Type, resolution, 1080 by 2392 pixels. Refresh rate 120 Hz. Brightness up to 1800 nits peak. Protection, SGS low blue light certification. Cameras, rear cameras, 50 megapixel Sony IMX82 primary sensor, 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens. Front camera, 32 megapixel. Features, Aura Light for portraits, AI object eraser. Battery and charging. Capacity 6,500 mAh. Charging 90 watts wired fast charging. Reverse charging supported. Connectivity and build. Network 5G, 4G LTE, dual SIM. High quality POLED screen with vibrant colors and smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Design. Sleek and durable design with IP65 and MIL STD 810H certifications. Cons. Camera performance. While adequate in good lighting, the camera struggles in low light conditions and lacks optical image stabilization. No wireless charging. The device does not support wireless charging. Overall verdict. The Vivo V50 Lite stands out in the mid-range segment, offering robust performance, impressive battery life, and a premium display. It's a solid choice for users seeking a reliable smartphone without breaking the bank.